Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video very quickly I will show you how to translate a PDF document to different languages. So firstly guys, you need to upload your PDF document into your Google Drive, and after that open it in Google Docs. So you can see I made one upload, which is this just a dummy DaVinci PDF file. It's just like an introduction file. So you just right click, and after that you go open with Google Docs. It's going to open in Google Docs now. So for some reason it's not supported. Let me just create another PDF file. Give me a sec. Okay, I was successful to open up some document. So after opening your file in Google Docs from Google Drive, tap on Tools, then Translate Document. It will create a copy of this document and choose the language. Let's, for example, translate to Dutch. Translate. And as you can see, guys, very easy. Now our document is successfully translated. Very quickly, by the way, really cool. So you can see everything is now in Dutch, no English anymore. So that's how it's done. Very easy and straightforward, guys. In only a few clicks. Enjoy the video, press thumbs up and subscribe. See you soon.